Islay is a rock with a sponge on top. You know, maybe 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters thick of peat. So any water that falls by rain falls through the peat, percolates through the peat, hits the bedrock, and off it goes. We have burns, we have streams, we have water, and it's brown. It's, you know, sometimes as black as Guinness, you know, if it's in spate. So default situation, all water brown. Brown because of peat phenolic content. We reckon the water has a phenolic content of about 2 or 3 parts per million. Is that noticeable in the whiskey when it's, I don't know, I wouldn't have thought so. Sure, the mineral content of the water is greatly affected. I mean, I was on, I took a slurp from a burn on Jura in Paps the other day. And it was it was literally coming straight out of the side of the mountain, out of the quartz. And it was very, very minerally, very stony. It's why you don't find distilleries on chalk areas, you know, because of the calcium in chalk, you know. It's why breweries are located in specific parts, Burton-on-Trent and stuff, because the water was ideal for brewing. It's the same thing with the distilleries. You need a reliable water supply, primarily. You know, it's no good having water that runs out every 5 minutes.
Yes.
Sure, we have, you know, water reliability problems here, but, you know, this sponge effect, global warming, you know, will we ever have enough? I don't know. For our requirements, sure, we've got plenty. But it still means, you know, in June, May, we, you know, sometimes have to stop because, you know, the sponge has dried up and there's no water left. But I think, you know, there's a lot of so-called experts in the industry that will say, oh yes, you know, the water's irrelevant, it makes no difference whatsoever, we might as well be connected to the mains. Other people that say, oh well, no, the water's really important. But I would love to do a definitive, I mean, perhaps that's what you should do, a definitive survey, because I'm sure it does make a difference. If it makes a difference for beer production, we're making beer first. So why should it suddenly become not pertinent? I don't have the technical answers for you yet, but I do think it does make a difference. Here we're on gneiss rock. This peninsula, the Rins of Islay, is gneiss rock, 1,800 million years old. So that's the bedrock, peat on top. I'm sure that has a mineral impact on the water that we have. An impact that would be different to our neighbouring distilleries. How it becomes apparent, you know, the relevance, I don't know.